Hello and welcome to another 3Dsurvey tutorial. In this release, we're introducing a dedicated area measurement tool. While measuring areas in 3D was possible before, using closed polygon lines, the new tool comes with a few features. An advanced calculation algorithm for higher accuracy of complex shapes, a dedicated tool access for faster workflows, and enhanced visualization of measured 3D surfaces, meaning you can see the triangulation live, and when you select a measured area, it will display in layers color. Now, where to find it and how to use it? In CAD tab, go to Measure tool and click the down arrow. Select Measure Area tool. The tool settings open and you can start measuring. When you're measuring areas that are not on the same plane, we recommend calculating the area in parts, like this. When you finish your measurements, simply select them all with Select tool. The area will be displayed for each segment. For total area, check the element properties. Let me give you another example. We'll measure the area that's planned for the new asphalt. You can see that triangulation happens live while I draw my polygon, and when it's crossing itself out, the area becomes non-available. And as soon as I expand my polygon so it doesn't cross itself anymore, the area becomes available and it changes while I place my vertices. With the help of Edit tool, you can also change the text size if you want. Let's make it a little bigger. There we go. Another minor nice to have in this feature is you can use the Orthophoto tab now right away to output your results of measurements even if you don't have an orthophoto. Of course, the tool also works on vertical features. If we want to measure the area of these windows on the wall, we can do it with the same workflow. There's your result. Thank you for watching this tutorial and see you in the next one.